Oh, hey comrades, you caught me. Welcome to Survival Subscriber Unboxing Video. What could it be? We'll just have to find out. Glad to have you guys back. And I got a package in the mail. And this package came yesterday. And it came from one of my faithful subscribers and also friend and brother, John from OKBushcraft. And I will put a link up here if I can figure out how to do that. I will put a link up here in the description box, somewhere up here, to his channel, so you can go ahead and check it out. But John from OKBushcraft surprised me and sent me a package. So I was not expecting that. So I know it's going to be good. So I'm going to bring you guys on down here and we're going to open this up. So come on down. Okay, we have a nice priority mailbox. And the only way to open this up is with a cold steel Luzon. With an extra locking mechanism too. Okay. So we're going to open it up right here. Oh wait, it's already open, never mind. That was just for effect, guys. Pretty nice though, isn't it? Okay. Alright, so here we go. Let's check this out. Ooh, got some orange handles. Aha! Wow. Now we're going to use a cold steel Luzon. I like that. Okay. Ooh, it's sharp. Sharp. Wow, look at this. Oh, this is awesome. Oh, yeah. That is just great. These are Mora. 2 of them. 2 Moras. Holy moly. John, thank you so much. I like the orange. I've had a couple Moras. I gave one to Fallon Super Boot that I never have used, and I gave another one to my middle son, and now I have 2 more. This is awesome. I like the orange because if you drop it, you know, if you lose it, you can find it. I'm not sure which one this is. I think these are it's the Mora. Oh, it's a carbon blade too. I don't know if you can see it there on camera. I'll get the light just right. I don't have my flash or my headlamp. Well, here we go. Get my headlamp on there. Well, it says carbon there. That is really cool. Bet you they're razor sharp too. Let's try it out. Oh yeah. Look at that. Of course, it's gonna be hard to see again. There it is. See it? I should have my light on here. Let me go get my light. Hold on. Okay. There, you can see the hair on now. That thing is razor sharp for sure. Well, that is really awesome, John. Thank you so much. That is very much appreciated gift from you. I really appreciate that. See, I put that in there right. I think I did that. Yeah, that's right. Ah, it fits different inside the sheath. That's kind of cool. Nice little snap to it. A little belt clip there. Right there. Cool. Wow, that is really cool. I got 2 of them. Awesome. Both carbon. Nice. And it's got the Scandi grind blade, which is great for carving and bushcraft tasks around the campsite. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So let's go ahead and do a paper test. Let's see how sharp this is. We already know it shaves hair. Let's see how good it does on paper. Wow. Look at that. Razor sharp. Okay. We can say that thing is sharp. Wow. I can say that, oh, okay, here it is. Yeah, it's the basic 511. Okay. You know, it's funny because I've always wanted one of these. Even when I got in the bushcraft, I like the look of the 511, but I can say that this little thing here, it feels good in the hand. Feels solid too. More knives are very well known. I'm sure you guys know that already, but man, that feels great. Just feels good in the hand. I've always been real biased when it came to knives. I like cold steel, of course. They're my favorite, but I like Morris too, like the Mora Garberg and the Cansbull. Those are nice. I don't own any of those, but they're nice. This is really nice. Thank you so much, John. Awesome. All right, well, that is the unboxing video, and man, thank you so much. I can't tell you enough. It's awesome. Two of them. Okay, I'm not gonna get all sentimental. I'm sorry. All right, guys. Well, that's it. So, if John's watching, thank you, thank you, thank you. Much appreciated. Very much appreciated. All right, guys. So, if you like my channel, hit the subscribe button, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you get all notifications from my videos. And there's be other videos around the screen too, so check them out. All right, God bless you guys. See you in the next video. Take care.